Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue talking about Unit 3 and communities. Our learning intention is that we will be able to examine community characteristics as well as the people that are needed in a community to help it function. So, what is a community? What are things that are part of a community? And what people are in a community that help it work? Today's focus question is, what is a community? A community is a group of people living in the same place and share the same resources, rules, and laws. A map is a drawing of a location that helps us find places and get to where we want to go. A map key helps us read the map by telling us what the symbols are or the drawings mean. And we had a map key in our assignment yesterday. We're going to watch and learn from these videos.
Oh, hi, Susan. Hi, Gordon. Hey, Miles. Hey, kid. Hi, Bob. Hi, Linda. Hi, Mr. Hanford. Hi, Carlo. Hi, Maria. Hi, Big Bird. Hi, Big Bird. Gabby. Hi, Wink.
Excuse me. My daughter and I are thinking of moving to Sesame Street.
Oh, that's great.
So, can you tell us a little bit about the neighborhood?
Why, sure. We'd love to. There's lots of great places in this neighborhood. Oh, what are some places in our neighborhood? In our neighborhood. In our neighborhood. Oh, what are some places in our neighborhood? Some places where we meet each day. Why don't we start right here with the Fix-It Shop?
Okay.
This is Luis and Maria and Gabby. And could you sing a little bit about it, too?
Sure, you got it. All our fix-it shops right here, and so if something's broken or it just won't go,
We can fix it for you, hopefully.
fixing toasters is a specialty. So the fix-it shop's a place in our neighborhood. In our neighborhood. In our neighborhood. The fix-it shop's a place in our neighborhood. A place where we can meet each day. Wow, that sounds great. Any place to buy food around here?
Oh, sure. Right over here. Come on, I'll show you.
Bye.
Hi, Mr. Hanford. Hi, Carlo. This is Samantha and her mom. They might move to this neighborhood.
Hey, Samantha, why don't you go and play?
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Hanford, maybe you could tell them about your store.
Oh, if you're feeling hungry, then for sure, come on down right here to Hooper's store.
There's lots of food we sell and make.
You can even have a birdseed shake.
The Hooper store is a place in our neighborhood. In our neighborhood.
in our neighborhood. Hooper Store is a place in our neighborhood, a place where we can meet each day.
Okay. How about a place to live?
Oh, well, Gordon and Susan Miles live right over there. Ernie and Bert. Come on, they'll tell you all about it.
Bye-bye. Bye.
That's right. 11. Hi, everybody. Hey, guess what? This lady and her little girl Samantha's over there, and they're interested in moving to this neighborhood, maybe to this building. Did you tell them about it? Oh, this apartment building's home for me.
I live here too.
So do we.
We live nearby, we're friends of theirs. Me and Bert and Ducky live downstairs.
So this apartment building's a place in our neighborhood, in our neighborhood, in our neighborhood. This apartment building's a place in our neighborhood, a place where we can meet each day.
Wow. How about transportation? Is there a bus stop around here?
Oh, absolutely.
Sure, and it's not even far. Come on, want me to show it to you?
Yes. I'll be right back, Samantha.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
She's got a daughter.
You know what?
Hi, everybody.
Hey, Big Bird. What's up?
Hi. Well, this lady and her little girl might be moving here. Maybe you could tell them about the transportation?
Sure, of course.
If you need to travel far or near, you can take the bus. It stops right here. It goes up and down the avenue.
The bus to Stompville Garden stops here too.
So these are the places in our neighborhood, in our neighborhood, in our neighborhood. Yeah! These are the places in our neighborhood. They're the places where we meet when we're walking down Sesame Street. They're the places where we meet each day. So, what do you think of our neighborhood?
It seems like a pretty good place to live.
So this video showed us quite a few places that people have in their neighborhoods. They have grocery stores, places you might be able to go to fix things, the bus stop, apartment buildings, and these are all part of a neighborhood and a community. I want you to think about something and share with someone in your home. When you walk, drive, or take the bus to school, or if you're not going to school, to the supermarket, what are some things or some people that you see in your neighborhood? I want you to pause the video and think about the last time you went for a walk with someone in your family, and what are some things that you saw. Go ahead and share with a person that's nearby. Some things that you might see, like we saw on this map before, you might see a school, you might see apartment buildings, you might see a grocery store, you might see a church or a mosque, you might see a movie theater even though they're not open right now. There's quite a few things that you might see while you're walking around and you're driving. I want you to think about the different places in a community. Some of you might see a police station and fire station in your neighborhood. I want you to think of all the different places that you might think of. A hospital, a bank, a school, a fire station, a police station. And I want you to think of who works there and how they help. So, on a blank piece of white paper, I want you guys to pick one place in your community. It could be a school, a police station, a fire station, a hospital, a bank, a gas station. Choose one place in your community and tell me who works there and how do they help. So you should have 3 sentences. And then I would love for you to draw a matching picture and color it. Don't forget to label your picture.